Welcome to HUAT Seeds. In this video, we'll explore 988 king corn seeds by HUAT Seeds. We'll walk you through some essential tips for successful cultivation. First, start seeds in seedling tray or direct sowing into soil. Seeds will germinate in 3 days to 5 days. Corn plants will grow to a height of 3 feet to 4 feet in 35 days with proper fertilization. Each cob weighs up to 500 grams to 600 grams with sweetness about 13% to 16% brix. To maximize the population and yield potential with the aim for 45,000 plants per hectare, which will require about 10 to 12 kilograms of seeds. You will be thrilled to know that you can yield an outstanding of 20,000 to 30,000 kilograms per hectare, including the husk. For optimal growth, it's crucial to prepare a 100 centimeters soil bed with rows spaced 100 centimeters apart. Maintain a gap of 25 centimeters between each plant and 50 centimeters between rows. With good agricultural practice, king corn is ready to harvest in just 68 to 75 days. Some of the outstanding aspects of the 988 king corn seeds are the exceptional uniformity and tip fill. Furthermore, it is suitable to grow both low and highland farms. Each cob has approximately 14 to 16 evenly arranged kernels per row, with measurements of 20 centimeters to 22 centimeters in length and 5 centimeters to 6 centimeters in width. Another key feature in this variety is it has better sweetness consistency with improved shelf life. You may wonder why 988 king corn is the top choice for farmers. The 988 king corn has full-bodied golden yellow kernels. With big kernels, the fresh fruit appears compact, hence good shelf life. 988 king corn seeds are available in 100 grams pack estimated 700 seeds and 500 grams pack estimated 3,500 seeds. Feel free to contact us if you are looking for bulk orders. Thank you for choosing HUAT Seeds, your quality, reliable seeds partner since 1948. For more information, visit us at HUATseeds.com today.